Hey, what's going on, everybody? Billy Aiken here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your email list and to be able to have a live verification system set up to where when somebody fills out a form on your landing page or on your website, if they put a fake email, it's automatically going to block that out. And that way it's not clogging up your SMTP or your autoresponders. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how to do both. And that's going to be through my favorite software, Marketer Magic. And you can grab a free trial. It's in the description below this video. But basically, this is a software that I'm going to use. And it's called Marketer Magic. And you're able to verify live emails on your form and to be able to take your email list, your existing list, and clean those lists. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So we're inside of my Marketer Magic account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over here to where it says email verifier. And again, the reason why I love this software so much, there's 7 different softwares that are built into this, into this membership platform. And the whole goal of this entire software is to help you to increase conversions in your business. But we're going to talk about Email Verifier, and there are 2 different softwares under Email Verifier: Clean a List and Live Verification. Clean a List is if you have an existing email list and you want to clean that list, get rid of all of the invalid emails, all the fake emails, the emails that are going to bounce. If you want to clean that list. And then Live Verification is where you're putting a pixel code on your website or your landing page or wherever you have a form where people are filling it out, and it prevents them from giving you a fake or an invalid email address. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at Clean a List, and I'm going to show you something that I did. I actually went over here to ManyLeads, and I generated a few lists. With ManyLeads, I'm actually able to look up any industry, any business in the United States by city and download a list of all of the businesses. So what I did is I downloaded a list of chiropractors in my area, and it gives me their, the business name, their email address, social media profiles, whether or not they have a Facebook pixel. So for those of you that are trying to start an ad agency, you're able to view and see if they even have a Facebook pixel, so you can approach them and say, hey, I can show you how to, put your pixel on your site for free, or you could charge them $500 or whatever. But I went and I cleaned this list, and it's 255 total emails, and 124 were valid, 37 were catch-all, and then 94 were invalid. And so let's look at the details so you guys can kind of get an idea. So all I did was I uploaded an Excel spreadsheet, and I'll show you how to do that in a sec. And then after it cleans the list, you're going to come up to a page like this. It tells you all of the stats of the list that you uploaded, the total amount of emails, and then the results. And what you could do is you can download a spreadsheet of all of the emails, or download only the clean ones, which generally, if you're going to upload this back to your autoresponder, or whatever software you use, you're going to only want clean emails. So that's where you'll click here. You'll download your spreadsheet, and then you'll upload it. But to actually clean a list, all you have to do is just take a spreadsheet of all of the emails you're wanting to clean, or and you'll just click over here on Verify New List. And then all you're going to do is just drop the spreadsheet right here. Okay. And it needs to be CSV only. So make sure when you save your Excel spreadsheet of email addresses that you're saving it as a CSV. And once you do that, it's going to go through, it's going to verify it for you. I've used a ton of other softwares, Never Bounce, Zero Bounce. I mean, it's just hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Well, you get a certain amount of emails that you're allowed to clean on a monthly basis with the Marketer Magic membership. Now let's look at another thing. We're going to look at live verification. This is pretty cool. And what this is, you're adding a snippet of code to your website or your sales funnel. And then what it does is, as people are filling out the form, whether it's their name and email, whether it's name, email, and phone number, whether it's just email by itself, it's going to prevent people from giving you an invalid email address or a fake email, which clogs up your SMTP. Basically what that means is that the software you're using to send out your email campaigns, it's going to crush and kill it's going to kill your bounce rate. It's going to increase your bounce rate. Your entire system is going to be messed up because all you're doing is just sending out emails to invalid emails, and it ruins your reputation. And so what you do is very simple. You're going to copy this snippet of code, and then you're going to paste it on the header of the website or landing page sales funnel of where you have the form. Now, I use the best software in the world for building out sales funnels and landing pages, generating leads and sales, and that's ClickFunnels. And if you don't have ClickFunnels, check out the description below this video. There's a link for you to grab a 14-day free trial. But I'm over here on the first page, which is the landing page. I'm going to click on Edit Page. And then I'm going to go over here to settings, which is up here in this section. And then I'm going to click on tracking. And it's running a little slow because I'm recording a video, but this is a landing page I created for a free digital marketing masterclass that I have going on right now. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. It's a free training. And all you got to do is just answer a few questions and then, reserve your free seat. But we're going to click on settings, tracking code. And then right here on the header, not the footer, but the header, we're gonna paste that link right here. Now, I already did it, but just for the purpose of this training, if I was just coming here for the first time, I would click on settings, tracking code. I would go to the bottom of the last tracking code. I'm going to click enter twice, and then I'm going to paste the code, which is the email verifier pixel, and then we're going to click on save. And that's it. It's done. So if anybody tries to enter an invalid email address, it's automatically just going to kick it out. So that, my friends, is going to be email verifier. That's going to be a part of Marketer Magic, and it's an amazing platform. In fact, I'll go ahead and show you a little bit about it. We're going to go, let's go up here to, let's check out pricing. And it's very reasonably priced for what you get. You get click proof, which is how to get social proof on your website. So little pop-ups that come up letting people know that somebody had signed up, and creates kind of social proof on your site. Live Pick is pretty cool. It's where you show a picture of you holding like a sign or a little, a whiteboard, and you can have text that shows on there with a person's name and have that in an email. Email verifier. Work Hub is if you have digital assistants that working for you and you're able to keep up with their work. Many Leads is great for generating lists of businesses in the United States. Mini-Me is a link tracking software where you're able to create short links, kind of like what Bitly does, but it's a lot better. And, with the Platinum, which is what I have, you get 100,000 impressions for click-proof. Live Pick is 100,000. Email Verifier, you get 10,000 emails a month that you can verify, which is awesome. Work Hub is 10 users. Many Leads, you get to do 100 searches. That's fantastic. I mean, you could, search chiropractors in each city in the United States, and you would have every chiropractor in the United States. Mini-Me, you get 100,000 clicks. It's a really awesome software. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link below for you to sign up for this, and you'll be able to clean your email list and to be able to have a live verification. Also, a really cool thing is whenever you're cleaning your email list, if you run out of the amount of credits, which is I think 10,000 if you're on the Platinum, it's only 1 penny per email address that you're cleaning. That is cheaper than any software I've ever used. Yeah, I mean, that's the best I've ever seen. So what I would challenge you to do is to give that a shot. And here it is right here, email verifier, 10,000 emails, then 1 cent each. That's pretty awesome. So anyway, I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. If it's your first time here, make sure you click on the subscribe button, hit that notification bell right next to it. Also, let me know in the comments below if there is a specific tutorial video that you would like me to shoot. Is there something that you have a question about? Something that you would like to see how to do, like how to set up an email autoresponder, set up a sales funnel, how to drive traffic. If there's anything specific you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. And what I'll do is I'll create a video and I'll do a shout out with your name, like a picture of your YouTube tag. That way people can see who you are. Maybe it'll give you a little bit of brand recognition. And then let me know if you have any questions, and check out the description below for all the resources to this video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.